YouTube fam? We back. We finna do a slight install on the new edge on the 2003 Mustang GT. And it's not gonna be a hard install. We just about to do some side markers that I ordered on Amazon. I didn't order nothing expensive, like $30. I dropped the link below. I'm gonna show you exactly what you got to do, what bolts got to come off and everything. Like you see, I got the tail lights done. They look good. That third brake light, that shit got to come out. I'm gonna show you everything else I got done in this car, and might give you a little startup video. It's not really much of an exhaust on this car. I mean, it's just stock exhaust, so it really don't matter. But we're gonna go through this whole install, and hopefully y'all enjoy it and learn something, man. Hopefully I help somebody install some side markers. First and foremost, to start this video, I'm gonna give y'all a little code start, just so y'all know what's going on. I'm so ready for this interior to come out. It don't sound like much. Really ain't got much gas in it either. It's hot. Low fuel. Not much of a damn cold start. That loud, but oh well. Let's hop in the trunk. I got the wrong key. Hop in the trunk and get this install done. So, what I'm about to be installing is these side markers. They go right here. As you can see, I ain't got none. This bumper didn't have any, and the other bumper, the tabs kind of broke off. And for those of you who don't know, which I'm sure everybody knows, they just came with these red reflectors. I really don't think they glow or anything because they ain't got no wires to them, so I'm not really sure how that worked out. I forget. So we finna get these LED markers wired up, show you how to take out the bumper. Go behind this trim. I don't know if you can see it, but it's 2 bolts in there on that side. 2 bolts in there on that side. Maybe take the tail lights out. And it's 3 bolts along this line here on the bottom, and the bumper be ready to come down. Pretty simple. A lot of y'all still have the angled bolts for right there, which I don't. I have them, but I haven't put them back in. And with these side markers, you do have to wire them in. Not sure really why it didn't come on the car like that, but you have to wire them into this harness right here. Not sure if you can see it, but you're gonna splice into the brown wire and the black wire. So I'm gonna be showing that. So maybe somebody else who want to do this same mod, it'll help them a little bit. But before we get started, I'm gonna show y'all what I did to the front end. That definitely changed the look of it with them clear corners with the black housing. I got those on Amazon as well. I had the stain lights in my other one. I think these are made by Dyna. And man, it looks perfect, especially with the color of the car and everything. And honestly, look perfect. I do need to get the Cobra Fall light bezels, which I will be ordering soon. So let's get this bumper off and get this install started. I ain't gonna talk y'all head off. So I'm gonna be trying to hold this camera and do this install at the same time. Brighten it up so you can see what I'm doing. Get you a couple of extensions. Go back in this corner. That's ready to come out. You go to this corner, same thing. It's honestly better to have a magnet to get those nuts off, which I have. I just ain't fucking using. And you go to this side, same thing. It don't take long to take the bumper off at all. Okay, you got three on the bottom row, which I'm about to get out. And once I come back, I have the whole bumper off. So first and foremost, you get the bumper off. You want to get your wires ran through. Get your screws on. Don't do what I did. I fucked up. Kind of chewed that wire off. Got it back on with some damn electric tape. So I am gonna take these off. Why? Because I want to make it look professional as possible. I mean, I kind of want the stock look. I don't want to have wires hanging all over the place. So what I'm gonna do, I'm probably gonna run the wires through this hole right here, so everything comes back to this. And when I put the panel on, everything be here behind the wall. So what I'm gonna do, I'm probably gonna set the phone up in the trunk. That way, y'all can see the whole install, see what I do, where I do, then I go over it, show y'all what it look like when I put it back on. All right, so this is what you gotta do. This brown wire and this hard black wire. The green goes to the brown, the other one goes to the black. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna wire straight into it, and everything gonna be zip tied behind the light so you don't see it. I haven't bolted nothing back yet. And I'm gonna try to set you up so you can see it. Instead of doing it in the trunk, it just worked better right there. Or I can go all this brown wire, either or. All right, so I got you set up and we finna get the splicing away. It comes with some pieces so you can splice them to it, but I'm gonna do it a little different. I really hate using damn splicer things. Let's splice a little bit off. Slide the wire back just a tad. Nothing major. It's a simple install, to be honest. Find my key and make sure it works. All right, so what I'm gonna do is, this is what it comes with. I don't know if you can see that or not. This is what it comes with, which I may actually use. Really don't know how the fuck to use them though. Oh wow. I reckon I see now. It's pretty neat. It's pretty nice, I guess. I really never used nothing like this. I'd rather not. I'd rather just put some electric tape around it and be done with it. This is why. So we got them in, and get this tail light put back in. Ravel it up, but not too tight, because you don't want to mess nothing up. So I'm gonna show y'all what's going on. All right, so as you can see, got the wire spliced in, the black wire and the green wire. The green wire go to the brown, the black go to the black, like a zip tie around it. And just the same way it came off, it slides right back in place. It's kind of hard to do it one hand, but there it is. Can't tell no wires there, which is what I wanted. Kind of wanting to be like a professional install. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna finish up everything and I'm gonna show you how it look. All right, so we got the install done, and I'm gonna give y'all the honors of pulling the stick off. Yes, sir. Wasn't no hard install. Everything lines up correctly, and it be from Amazon. I don't think you can beat it. We're gonna get these things turned on so you can see what's really going on with it. That's a pretty bright ass LED script. I can't wait to get this thing lowered and another wing on it and finish painting it. This thing gonna be sick. All right, so I'm out. I'm about to do a photo shoot with this thing, and that's pretty much it for this video. Gave you a short install on how to install the side markers for a 99 to 04 Mustang GT or V6, Cobra, Terminator, whatever. Man, it really does change the looks of the car just having the little things done. Look at my hands, man. Dirty just from changing lights. That's crazy. But it's all good. I'm just ready for this car to finish coming together. And I hope I help somebody. And because YouTube helped me, so I hope I help somebody with this install. And I'll be back with another install soon. Hopefully I can get some Lawrence Springs in. I ordered them. They on the way. Just waiting on them. Hopefully I'll be getting them on in the next week or two. And hopefully we'll be getting some wheels and getting this thing on the road, man. I'm just excited to be back, man. Appreciate it. Subscribe, like, comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know what I could have done different, because I'm not perfect. And I'm out.